So next exercise is 1.3. 1.3 deals with functions. So let's get started with the problems under this exercise. So the first question, the function f is given to be x comma y, where x and y belongs to natural numbers and y is equal to 2x is the given condition. With that condition, you have to find out what is your domain, your codomain, your range, and also you have to check whether this relation is a function. Now it clearly says x and y belongs to the natural numbers, right? So for each natural number value I substitute for x, I get corresponding y value. So if x equal to 1, then y will be equal to 2 into 1, which is 2. If x equal to 2, y equal to 2 into 2, which is 4. X equal to 3, y is equal to 2 into 3, which is 6. X equal to 4, y is equal to 2 into 4, which is 8. So it goes on like this because both x and y are natural numbers, so it has no end, it just continues. Okay, so with this we are going to find out what is our domain, our codomain, our range, and all that. Okay, so how do we find the domain first? Domain belongs to the first set, the x set. So we will write all this 1, 2, 3, and it goes on because they are all natural numbers. Now how do we write the codomain? Codomain is from the next set y, which is also the set of natural numbers. So we'll have 1, 2, 3, and it goes on. Next, the range. Range means all the mapped elements. So we will have 2, 4, 6, 8, and it goes on. Now we have to check, is this relation a function? When will be a relation a function? Only when every element is having one image in the codomain. Now every element in the domain is having only one image in the codomain, and therefore it is a function. So with this the first problem is over. Now the second question, x equal to 3, 4, 6, 8. You have to determine whether this relation is a function from x to n. So the given condition is f of x equal to x square plus 1. Now our x belongs to capital X, so each time we will substitute values from this capital X. Okay, so we'll have f of 3 equal to 3 square plus 1, so 9 plus 1, which is 10. F of 4, I will have 4 square plus 1, which is 16 plus 1, 17. F of 6 equal to 6 square plus 1, 36 plus 1, 37. F of 8 equal to 8 square plus 1, so 64 plus 1, I will have 65. So we have an ordered pair like 3, 10, 4, 17, 6, 37, and 8, 65. So every element from the domain is having an image in the codomain, which is a set of natural numbers, and therefore it is a function. So with this the second problem is over. Now the third question, f is a function from x to x square minus 5x plus 6. Then you have to evaluate all these given values, f of minus 1, f of 2a, f of 2, and f of x minus 1. First let's start with f of minus 1, which means you have to substitute whatever value is there inside the bracket in place of x. So I will have minus 1 square minus 5 into minus 1 plus 6. So minus 1 square will become 1, minus into minus will become plus, so 5 plus 6. So 6 plus 6 you will have 12. Now f of 2a, which means in place of x you are going to substitute 2a. So 2a the whole square minus 5 into 2a plus 6. So 4a square minus 10a plus 6. Then f of 2, which means in place of x you are going to substitute 2. So we will have 2 square minus 5 into 2 plus 6. So 4 minus 10 plus 6 minus 6 plus 6 you will have 0. Now f of x minus 1. So we will have x minus 1 the whole square minus 5 into x minus 1 plus 6. Now expand this using a minus b the whole square. So you will have x square plus 1 minus 2x minus 5x. Now multiply this, minus into minus will become plus 5 and plus 6. So x square, now we will write it in the order. So minus 2 and minus 5 will become minus 7. So minus 7x, 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 6 becomes 12. So with this sum is over. For further comments and further queries, please comment below. Thank you.